Alright, if someone wanted to do a quick fix to kind of make this more like an e-bike, push the button, give it the speed when you want it. When you don't, go back to pedaling. Take your wire off of here, extend it back, run it back here, tape, some magnets, and then once you're on full power, battery's on, give it a little flick, and she will take right off. Put her on low, that's on low, let's do medium. And now we'll do high. And off. But yep, cheap way to do it. Some magnets, tape, reroute your wire back. Click your button when you want it. When you don't, go back to pedaling. Have a good one.